Welcome to my channel. Now let's watch some artifacts in Alabaster factory in Luxor. First, let's know what is alabaster. Alabaster is a soft, fine-grained, sedimentary rock prized for its translucency and carvability. It has been used for thousands of years to create sculptures and ornamental objects and is sometimes confused with marble, though it is a different mineral. A key characteristic of alabaster is its ability to let light pass through, with purer types transmitting up to 80% of light. There are two types of alabaster: a massive form of gypsum, that is calcium sulfate, and a calcium carbonate variety often called onyx marble. The purest alabaster is snow white and translucent, but impurities like iron oxide can cause brown clouding and veining. It is a soft stone with a hardness of 1.5 to 2 on the Mohs scale, making it easy to carve into intricate shapes. The Egyptians used alabaster in their tombs and temples, depicting scenes from their mythology and daily life. This stone is not only symbolized beauty but was also associated with the divine. Miniature and medium-sized statues of pharaohs, gods and goddesses like Isis, Osiris, Anubis, Horus. Authenticity and quality checks. Hold it to the light. Real alabaster is slightly translucent and will glow softly. Fakes look dark and dense. Feel the weight and temperature. Real stone feels cool and heavier than resin and plastic. Look at tool marks and finish. Handmade pieces often show tiny tool marks or unevenness. Machine perfect items may be cast. Small souvenirs, mini statues and candle holders are $10 to $50. Mid-sized vases and statues are $40 to $200. These statues are made of pure alabaster. Thank you for watching and wish you good day.